restricted exports to the EU up to 2035. If Nigeria's ER remains at its current levels, emissions will grow to over 20 million tonnes of carbon dioxide by 2035. If Nigeria could achieve Russia's ER, it could reduce flaring by 21%, equivalent to 3.7 million tonnes of carbon dioxide by 2035, and that's despite increasing production. If it could achieve Norway's 2010 ER, this increases to 93%, or 15 million tonnes of carbon dioxide. Turning to Russia, exports to the EU are forecast to be relatively flat to 2035. And maintaining the Russian ER leads to similarly constant emissions of slightly under 20 million tonnes of CO2 per year. However, if Russia could achieve Norway's ER, Russian CO2 emissions could be reduced by 18 million tonnes, or 96%. Our conclusions from the case studies are as follows. From the CO2 in cars study, we see that the policy will deliver significant in-use emission reductions in Europe. That is welcome but hardly a surprise, given that that was the specific intention of the policy. A consequence of the policy